Did you enjoy your stay with us?
Yes, very much so. However, I need to get to the airport. I have flight that leaves in about 2 hours. So, what is the quickest way to get there?
We do have a free airport shuttle service.
That sounds great. But will I be get on the airport on time?
Yes, it should. The next shuttle leaves in 15 minutes and it takes approximately 25 minutes to get to the airport.
Fantastic. I'll just wait in the lounge area. Will please let me know will it be leaving?
Oh, before you go, would you be able to settle the minibar bill?
Oh yes, certainly. How much will it be?
Let's see. The bill comes $37. Would you like to pay for that?
I'll pay with the Visa card, but I'll need a receipt so I can embrace it to the company.
Absolutely. Here we are, Mom. If you like, you can leave your bags with the porter and he can load them onto the shuttle for you when it arrives.
That would be great. Thank you.
Would you like to sign the hotel guest book too while you wait?
Sure, I had a really good stay here and I'll let other people know to come here in your hotel.
That's good to hear. Thank you again for staying at the Henna Hotel.